Hi, I'm Cecilia. I'm a senior program consultant at the Berlin School of Business and Innovation. I'm here to guide you through applying for a student visa to study in the vibrant city of Berlin. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll have everything you need to make sure your move to Germany is smooth and seamless. So let's dive in. Step 1, determine your visa needs. If you're studying in Germany for more than 90 days, you need to apply for the student visa, which is valid for 3 to 6 months. On top of this, unless you are from an EU country, you need a residence permit, which you can obtain from the Alien Registration Office once you are in Berlin. Step 2, prepare your documents and finances. Before you start your visa application, you need to make sure you have all the required documents. You need a valid passport, 3 passport photos, proof of health insurance, proof of finances, a letter of admission from our institution, academic certificate, proof of language skills, English or German, the residence permit fee. It's also a good idea for foreign students to open a blocked bank account. This account will show German authorities that you can support yourself financially during your studies. But remember, you'd only have access to these funds after arriving in Germany. Step 3, apply for your visa. Visit the consulate or German embassy in your home country. Check their website or contact them directly for specific procedures. You need to submit your document and attend an interview for visa stamping. Step 4, get your visa and plan your move. Once your visa is approved, you're almost there. Book your flight to Berlin and get ready for an amazing adventure. Step 5, settle in Berlin. When you arrive in Berlin, you need to get your residence permit from the Alien Registration Office. Berlin offers several affordable accommodation options, whether you prefer shared housing or an apartment of your own. Berlin is a vibrant hub of culture, history, and opportunity. With English taught programs and excellent student support, BSBI campus in central Berlin offers unmatched student experience. So, are you ready to start your journey? We can't wait to welcome you on campus.